you're going to do is to come here and then tap on register. Then all you're simply going to do is put your name, put your last name, just put all the required information for you to register, and then you could just click on register. But I have an account already, so what I'm going to do is to click on login. As you can see, this is my account here. I think I did a tax, just tried it out, and I have like 10 naira balance. Yeah, and yeah, one job done for that 10 naira. So how to do a job? You just scroll down, here, and you see a lot of jobs that you could do here. Telegram airdrops, this 16 naira, and then you could visit website, register, simple tax, 13 naira. You could do share on WhatsApp, 24 hours. So let's just look for a job that we could do. Join a group. Let's try joining this group. Let's see whether it's not filled up. Okay, so it's not filled up. So if you should notice this blue line, all these lines here, it shows that the job has not been completed. So when it fulls, that means the jobs have been completed, so you can no longer participate in it. So now let's come here. You can see, so out of 500 workers, only 340 have completed this. So we could just tap on it and let us try doing the job. So you are not verified yet, click OK. So just tap on this button. For me to be verified, I have to load 1050 naira for me to be verified, and for me to do certain tax like that. So you can see, you see this is the account name here that I'm going to put the money in. Or I'll show you guys another way of loading the money for verification. So let's go back. If you should register an account, you will notice that you're going to get your own account here where it says fund wallet. You can see here where your funding account to fund your wallet. So this is your account to fund wallet. So what I'm going to do is to copy this, and then I'm going to reload 1000 naira to verify my account, and I'm going to come back here. So let me go and verify my account. I'll put in the 1000 naira and then come back, and let's try and see.
A few moments later,
I just sent the 1060 naira, so that's why there's an additional 10 naira here. That's what's making it 20 naira here, guys. So you can see it has said my naira account has been verified. So that's what you're going to do. You just come here, copy this account, this your personalized account number. So you copy and then transfer the money to this Wema bank or whatever bank it's going to bring up to you for you here. So now let's try doing what I wanted to do by joining. I think, where is it? Okay, joining. So let's tap on it and let's try to do the tax. So you can see the job is 15 naira. You can see up there. And what we're going to do now is to come down here. Let's come here. You see the link, campaign description. This is the link here. So join the group and try to be an active member by reacting to messages, you can see, and ask questions. So that's what you're going to do. So what you're going to do is just tap on this link, and it's going to take you to the group to join. Then if you come down here, you will notice that they say you should screenshot as proof of joining, and then here is what you're going to put your screenshots that you have done. So let's go back here and then tap on this in the link. It's taking us to WhatsApp, and then you just tap on join and then view. Let's view the group. So good, you can see the group, it says coming soon. Let's just see. Okay, you see 344 members. I'm sure most of these people are from that place doing the same task that you're doing. So what you're going to do is to screenshot it this way, and then we're going to go back to freebies, and then come down here and then post proof of completion. So what we're going to do is let's just type done here, and then come down here and then choose what we have screenshotted, that we've joined the group. So this is it here. Just tap on it and then agree. You now tap on this button that says here, just click on that, and then tap on submit. Oops, you have completed this campaign. Good. So you see we have completed the campaign. So what we're going to do is just go back, and then that's how you're going to do. So we're just going to wait for our money to top up there. So you could just come down here and then check for other things to do, and then you're going to make the money. So this one, it says you should download an app and then sign up, get 1,200 bonus. So you could do that too. It's 150 naira. That is what they are giving. So you could just come down, just try as much as possible to do a lot of tasks every single day. And yeah, so that's just how it is. So you have to make sure you verify your account. Otherwise you cannot do a lot of tasks if you don't verify your account. I guess you could only do like one task or so. So you verify your account, and then you could do like millions. You could do like a lot of tasks every single day. So that is one thing you could do with this website. The other thing you could do with this website is you could create your own campaign. So when you zoom here, you're going to see here it says you could create your own campaign. Creating your own campaign is like you're creating tasks for people to do. So let's say you have maybe your own side business and you want people to go and then maybe join a group or share your business out there. Just whatever you want a lot of people to do, you could just tap on this create campaign. If you want me to make a video on that, I'll just put it in the comment section. I'll try as much as possible to make a video on that. But for here, I'm just showing you guys how to do tax and how to at least use this platform to make small money. If you want to withdraw your money, all you have to do is just to come here to this your menu bar. Sorry about the sound. So you tap on wallet, on withdrawal. So this way you're going to put the amount you want to withdraw, and then the option, you select the option. So local, PayPal, so just local withdrawal is what you're going to select, and then you're going to tap on withdraw funds. So every withdrawal falls on Fridays. Yeah, so Fridays or end of the week, that's when you're going to get paid. So just take note of that. And then you see you can only withdraw when you're a verified user. So like I told you guys how to verify your account is just 1,000 naira, just 1,000 naira. So you could just do that, and yeah, money gets to your account. So another thing you could do is to come here to this referral link here, and then you could copy your referral link. Just tap on this to copy your referral link, and then share it with your friends on your platforms, and then just tell them you could make money with this website or so. You could share it on Instagram, on WhatsApp, wherever. If you're getting value from this video, please, I want you guys to like the video, and then make sure you comment under the video about what improvement you want me to do or what else you want me to make. And if you also like this kind of video, just say, Victor, I like this kind of videos. Get to research more of this kind of applications or this website, and then show us, make videos for us. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. And yeah, so that is it for now, and I'm going to make more videos on this, maybe how to withdraw your money and so on. But for now, just this is the video you're going to just watch, and then try as much as possible to do a lot of tasks and then make money. And yeah, so the link of this site is going to be in the description below. You just tap on it and register, or you could come here, freebyz.com, and then register, whatever. But you could, if you use my link, I'm going to get a bonus if you do so. So see you guys in the next video, and peace.